Hey everyone, this is Jack. Welcome to your free video. What a disaster of a past 48 hours it's been. So there's been a lot of setups that we've had for the February monthly expiration for next week just been completely destroyed. And so this will be a little bit more of a short review as to what's happening now and what I'm expecting for Monday. So this is just, we're retesting almost 14,000, and at the time of this video being made, it's about 45 minutes into 3 o'clock. So about 45 minutes left of the market, and we're down here at 14,280, a little bit of a bounce here. But what does this mean for Monday? So what I'm going to be looking for is, especially in the Monday morning session, a potential dip to be buying. And we might have to have a little bit of a delay on execution for that idea. But we still have February monthly expiration. I know that today's really ugly and this is, unbuyable. Every reversion to the mean on a 3 or 1 minute chart is getting sold off, so who knows what Monday brings. But I will say that I'd be more than happy to watch a gap down on Monday, and that would open up the opportunity for us to be the first one into the long side, to feel good about it and put yesterday, Thursday, and this Friday in the past and move on, and just know that this market's crazy. But we know there's two things going on. We know there's volatility, and we know that we have maybe an increase in volatility going into next Friday, which means we can put on some trades on the indexes, preferably spreads, and see if we can basically, we want to take advantage of outliers in the market. And this is a market outlier. We're down 400 in the NASDAQ. Tesla's not holding. Amazon's not either. So the big question that motivates all this is who and why would you come in and buy this on Monday? And that's why I'm saying, back to my original statement, which is we will be very patient with this idea, because this can all still fall apart and we can be trading below 14,000, and that makes sense as well. We have a tree line down here, 14.3, sorry, looking at the wrong one here. Not a tree line, a snow line down here at 13,826. And that's something I'm looking for, being wary of. Monday may turn into a day where we may be shorting every pump higher, similar to today rather. So that's kind of where we stand. If you look at a larger time frame, you can go back to this chart, which is what we kind of look at every once in a while, and trading lower back in, and that takes us 4 weeks ago. That takes us back into 1st of January. We were trading 14,200 for a couple weeks. So we're kind of making our way back down here and looking for a potential gap down on Monday. And that's what I'd like to come in and purchase. So we'll see if we can get it. Put the past behind you. That's where it belongs. And come to Monday with a fresh set of lenses. And we'll see what makes sense to do. But right now, a lot of signals are just toast, and this is a resetting, and that's the way that it's just got to be. And so, with the VIX up and things looking so bad right now, not going to step in and buy this until it makes sense, and we may have to wait for that gap down on Monday. But other than that, let's see what Monday brings, and we'll catch you in the next update. For any options on the indexes, I'll probably putting those on Tuesday, just because I do want to be as flat as I can possibly be on Monday, unless we have some type of reason to be acting a little bit quicker than that. But otherwise, a fresh, clean slate for next week, and I hope you have a wonderful Super Bowl weekend. Be safe, be careful, and we'll see you on Monday. Thanks for watching this video. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to like and comment down below to help us out. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release our next video. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.